This video will explain proper installation and operation for Clario C3 touch-free dispensers. There are two installation options, either by utilizing double-sided tape or installation via screws and anchors. Regardless of installation method, note that per ADA requirements, dispensers must be installed a minimum of 8 inches above all surfaces and no more than 48 inches from the ground. If using double-sided tape, first clean the surface with supplied alcohol wipe and allow to dry for 60 seconds prior to placing the dispenser. Next, peel the protective backing off of the double-sided tape and press the dispenser firmly against the wall, holding for 30 seconds. Be sure to allow up to 24 hours for backing tape to fully adhere to the wall before loading a refill. If using anchors and screws, first mark the locations for drilling, utilizing the dispenser backplate as a template. Drill holes using a 3/16" diameter drill bit and tap in the provided plastic anchors. Next, drill the provided screws halfway into the anchors and hang the dispenser using the keyholes in the backplate. Then tighten the screws, being careful not to over-tighten. To unlock and open the dispenser, insert the key into the lock on the top of the dispenser and turn counterclockwise. Then push down to open the dispenser cover. To install batteries, first remove the pump retainer clip, as well as the pump, being careful not to discard. Next, push and hold the release tab behind the pump housing and pull the battery cover towards the front. Then, install 4D alkaline batteries and close the cover. To set your desired shot size, toggle the dose adjuster using a pen or small screwdriver to the desired setting. 0.5 milliliters to 1 milliliter or to 1.5 milliliters. Next, reinstall pump and pump retainer clip into the dispenser. Please note that the pump and pump retainer clip should never be discarded. To install soap or sanitizer refill, first select proper touch-free refill with red fitment. Face the product label towards the backplate and press red refill fitment down firmly onto pump adapter until it meets the base and the refill valve inside bag is fully open. Be sure all sides of product refill are within the dispenser housing. Take note of the product ID placard housed in the dispenser cover and simply flip as needed to indicate soap or sanitizer. Lastly, close the dispenser cover, locking if desired, and begin usage. To replace empty refills, simply lift and remove empty refill from the pump adapter and replace with new, or first remove the pump from the dispenser and replace, taking care to not discard the pump or the pump retainer clip. If you have any questions or issues installing your Clario C3 dispenser, please contact Betco Technical Services at 888-GO-BETCO.